We for today I will showcase my game. So here we go. It it's gonna be finished soon, but today it's not finished. There's a lot of bugs at the game, and just look at the shop. It's having many bugs in the shop. In the river too, it's a many bugs. If you buy the skip river, it won't skip your rebirth. Bro, even the trade have a bug. You see this? If you click it, bro, you can literally trade your soul into the. I will, I will make that if you click it, it will say you cannot trade with you. Just look at the streets of many ring roads now. But I will add many more soon. And rate the announcement system for admin abuse. Look at that. Rate that in the comment section if it's good. Yeah, just look at that. It's like general announcement, and I will show you the admin panel. I will show you the poll. Just look at that. It's a big poll system. And the other event is not finished yet. If I click this flood, it's not finished. It's not finished yet, but the other event like just look at it's having just 7 look at that. Um so the sun event is finished. Just look at that. Um the yin yang event. Look at that. So that's the event that I finished. I remember the double only a double. It have many colors. It's having blue, green, but I like the red. It's kind of like general announcement. Um, comment what should I add, and comment if I should drop a tutorial on the announcement panel. It's global. You can message in server only too. Look at that. And I will add color in the block soon. Uh, and you can rent me as your pub model publisher and tell me what model you gonna publish, because it depends on your model. If the storage is very mm, if the storage is very high, download. Just don't PM me because I only accept for the easy to publish. And comment if I should make a tutorial on this announcement panel. It's global chat. And comment if I will add a more around to the game. No, we only have a mythic area for now. And it's a common, but that's all. That's legendary. All of that is legendary. Wait, what the hell? So yeah, that's all for today. Bye bye. See ya.